Most welcome my friend in my channel. We are started microbiology lecture on notes in the online based. So today's another topic is the structure of bacterial cell walls. Bacterial cell wall is made up of the two layers. One is the called is the capsules, another is called the cell walls. After then they started cytoplasmic membranes where they found all the organic molecules that responsible for formation of energy and reproductive pathways like nucleic acid where all the nucleic acid, DNA and RNA are present within the cytoplasm. There is no any cytoplasmic nuclear membranes are present inside the cytoplasm. Other molecules are present is called as organic molecules that is cytoplasm. Outside the cell wall there is a presence of the pili, and within the structure cytoplasm and cytoplasmic membrane there is a layer, there is a filamentous structure present called as the flagella. So we will go and study one by one in these structures, slowly one by one structure. Start one structure is called flagella first, after then one by one structures. Flagella is a long cylindrical thin hair like structures. Flagella attached with the cytoplasms. I already mentioned how the cytoplasmic cellular are present, so you can imagine how the cytoplasm they can regulate all the activity of flagella. They play important roles in the bacterial mobility, how the bacteria can move from one place to another place with the help of these flagellar structures, flagellal movements. They have 0.01 to 0.02 micrometer in diameters. They have 3 to 20 micrometer in length. There is a thickness is like 0.2 micrometer, and there is a length is 20 micrometer, the maximum length of that. Flagella found in the both gram positive and gram negative bacteria. That means they are present in both bacterial structures. Few focal forms and most bacilli, almost all spirula, vibro, flagella are present. That means all the vibros, the vibrobacteria, vibrochlori, they are presented. Almost all spirula type of bacteria and most of the bacillus bacteria they are found. Very few in the cocci bacteria they are forms. They can seen in the compound microscopes. You can also visualize under compound microscopes with the special staining technique, flagellar staining technique. I will tell you in later sections. Can be seen easily under electron microscope, dielectron microscope, where you can visualize on these microscopic study with the help of staining or without stainings. So these are the structures you can visualize slowly by help of the microbial staining process. Flagella seen in bacterial species in the different manners. Monotrichous, that means flagella is the one flagellar stopper present in the case of the vibrochlori. Lophotrichous, this is the monotrichous. Lophotrichous, two more flagella, only one end. When they are only one end, there is just like that, and this structure 2 or 3 flagella is presented, that is called trophotrichous, lophotrichous. And amphitrichous, that means single flagella in both the end, that means this is this and this is called the amphitrichous bacteria. Peritrichous means all over the structure flagella is presented. Example Salmonella typhi, and in case of amphitrichous, Alkaligenes fascioli, and this is the Pseudomonas fluorescens. So you can visualize any bacteria on the basis, classify on the basis of their presence of the flagella in the end. So it's very structurally you can imagine, you can separate by the presence of flagellar numbers in the bacteria. You can also classify monotrichous, lophotrichous, amphitrichous type of bacterial structures. Second is the periplasmic flagella and endoflagella, axial flagellae. This type of flagella present in the some helical bacteria, that is spirochetes. that type of bacteria showing their mobility only in the high viscous media. Such type of bacteria, when there is a very high dense media is presented, there is a medium where very dense, very tough mediums where you can not move these small molecule, these small cellular organisms. So these flagellate structure, a periplasmic structure present that can help to motion of this bacteria. In that type of flagella, like a structure present structure Trichonoma pallidum. This is a very dangerous bacteria. They cause the different type of disease. I will tell you later. A motion of the vessel, gliding mobility is this type of bacteria showing their mobility when they are contact with solid surface. When the solid surface, gliding type of mobility is presented. The cytophaga species, they are founding this type of mobility is presented. We can classify how many type of the mobility with the help of these flagellate structures. You can visualize in these structures. Now you can go part of flagella. How many types के flagella? In this is the flagella, this is the structure of the cell wall, cytoplasm inside them. This is the filamentous, this is the whole is the filamentous structure, and this is the hook structures and basal body. When there is this light same, I will tell you, contacting the solid surface. This is the basal body structures, light. I will show you the structures so you can properly visualize these structure in the diagrammatically, so understand how the flagella. Now you can see the structure of flagella. Ialitoflagellin is presented. This is a hook molecule is presented, and this is called the basal body. In basal body there is two type of membranes. This is cytoplasmic membranes. Inside there is this structures and this structure. I will tell you later section in the more detail all these things. Hope you like my this video, and in the evening around 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. in between I will come to next video session of the details of this cellular structure of the bacteria. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel.